Embarking on a weight loss journey can be a daunting task, especially for beginners. However, with the right combination of exercises, determination, and consistency, shedding those extra pounds can become an achievable goal. If you're new to the world of fitness, here are 10 effective weight loss exercises tailored to beginners that can set you on the path to a healthier and fitter you. 1. Walking. Walking is one of the simplest and most accessible exercises for beginners. It's a low-impact activity that helps burn calories and improve cardiovascular health. Start with a brisk 30-minute walk each day and gradually increase your pace and distance as your fitness level improves. 2. Jogging, running. If you're ready to take it up a notch, jogging or running can be excellent options. They elevate your heart rate and engage various muscle groups. Begin with intervals of jogging and walking, gradually increasing the jogging duration over time. 3. Cycling. Cycling is a fun way to burn calories while enjoying the outdoors. Whether you're cycling on a stationary bike or exploring your neighborhood on a real one, it's a great way to improve your lower body strength and stamina. 4. Jumping rope. Jumping rope is a full-body workout that enhances coordination, endurance, and burns calories effectively. It's an ideal exercise to add some variety to your routine and boost your cardiovascular fitness. 5. Bodyweight exercises. Bodyweight exercises like squats, lunges, push-ups, and planks are simple yet highly effective. They target multiple muscle groups, enhance strength, and help you develop a solid foundation for more advanced workouts. 6. Swimming. Swimming is a low-impact exercise that engages the entire body. It burns calories, improves lung capacity, and enhances overall fitness. Consider joining a beginner swimming class if you're new to this activity. 7. Yoga. Yoga not only promotes flexibility and balance but also helps relieve stress. It's a holistic exercise that can aid in weight loss through its various poses and mindful practices. 8. Dancing. Dancing is an enjoyable way to shed those pounds while boosting your mood. Whether it's Zumba, hip-hop, or ballroom, dancing helps burn calories and keeps you motivated. 9. Strength training. Strength training with light weights or resistance bands can help build lean muscle mass. As muscles burn more calories at rest than fat, incorporating strength training into your routine can have a positive impact on your metabolism. 10. HIIT, high-intensity interval training. HIIT involves alternating between short bursts of intense exercises and brief recovery periods. It's efficient for burning calories and improving cardiovascular fitness in a shorter amount of time. Starting a weight loss journey as a beginner can be challenging, but these 10 exercises offer a diverse range of options to help you achieve your goals. Remember, consistency is key. Start at a pace that's comfortable for you and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. It's important to listen to your body and consult a healthcare professional before beginning any new exercise regimen, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions. With dedication and perseverance, you'll be well on your way to a healthier, fitter, and happier you.